2023 can be the year you get to quit your job, retire your parents, and finally reach true freedom. Or it could be another year of procrastinating, slaving yourself away for a paycheck, and barely making ends meet. And the sad part about continuing on the second path is if you get ill, injured, or have unexpected problems, you could go homeless. I know this reality too well because I would have indeed gone homeless in 2020 due to the pandemic if I wasn't a minor at the time. I put my full trust in a 9 to 5 like the majority of humans, and in seconds my only income source was gone. And no matter if you want to admit it or not, that could happen to you as well at any time. So the point of this video is to ensure that never happens, because you will create a business that's scalable to 7 figures that no one can take away from you. And don't take that as an over-exaggeration. All 10 businesses in this video can indeed be scaled to north of 1 million per year. But with that said, I'm not going to give you some false reality that you'll make millions of dollars after a month of trying one of these businesses. Because it isn't easy and will take a lot of work on your end. But you know what also isn't easy? Not being able to afford 3 meals per day, not being able to pay for heat in your car, not being able to replace your shoes with holes in them, and anything else unattainable due to your income level. Both spectrums of life are hard, with and without money, so it's time you choose your hard. Alright, if you're still here after that intro, I applaud you for picking the correct path. You're braver than most humans, and that's why you will succeed and they won't. Also, I forgot to mention this in the intro, but every business I'll show you today can be started with very little to no money. So regardless of your income level, you can start them all. First up is the most talked about business that people say is oversaturated, which isn't true, they just suck at it. It's dropshipping. Dropshipping is a form of e-commerce where you sell other people's products on your own branded website for a higher price. For example, you can get this digital watch for 10 bucks on AliExpress. So you'd create your own store selling it for $100, market it with organic and paid social media ads. Then when someone buys it, you get $100, use 10 of those dollars to buy the product on AliExpress. Then AliExpress will ship the watch straight to the customer while you profit $90 per watch sold. It's by far one of the best businesses you can start, because even if you fail, the knowledge you will learn by starting a few stores will definitely change your life. You learn sales, marketing, fulfillment, ad creation, sales funnels, and pretty much every skill you need to succeed in business. But before you start, you need to decide which of the 3 dropshipping methods you want to do. There's low ticket, high ticket, and digital. The most common way is low ticket, where you find a $10 to $100 product on AliExpress, then promote it on social media through organic TikTok content and Facebook ads. I'm sure you have heard all about this strategy on TikTok, so I don't need to explain it further. But if this is the route you want to take, I have an in-depth tutorial on exactly how to do it that you can watch after this video. The second way is high ticket, where you dropship products worth hundreds to thousands of dollars. This method consists of selling things like furniture, kayaks, pool tables, grills, etc., and is typically way more profitable than low ticket dropshipping. This is due to the fact that it costs more, hence the margins are better, but that also means your startup costs are higher because you need top tier USA suppliers. The third way to dropship is my personal favorite, digital dropshipping. This method allows you to not worry about shipping, product cost, or refunds because your product is online. Like if we look at one of the digital stores I'm currently running, you can see this one has done $1,000 this week so far, which isn't tons of money, but it is nearly all profit, and I only spend like 5 minutes per day working on the store. And if you want to learn how you can do that too, I walk you through every step of low ticket, high ticket, and digital dropshipping in my new dropshipping course. I personally wrote the entire thing and can guarantee it works because, well, that's what I did to succeed. Just click the link in my description, get it, and start making money. Next up is the dream business for 2 out of 3 teenagers in America. It's social media. Social media is a crucial part to any successful business in 2023, but it's also a great way to create and profit off your own personal brand. This is done through ads, affiliates, sponsorships, courses, promoting your own businesses, and anything else a creator funnels to you with the intent to profit. And besides the money, having a strong online reputation allows you to network extremely well, gets you into exclusive rooms, and 9 out of 10 times increases people's respect for you. So regardless if you want social media to be one of your major income sources or not, you need to start building your personal brand now. To do that, start by writing down what you're good at and how you can turn that into valuable content. Like if you're a great violinist, you could create tutorials, then as your audience grows, funnel them to courses. Or if you're a great cook, you could create elegant cooking videos like Nick does, then funnel your audience to a cookbook. It doesn't matter what value you provide. It matters that that value is true value that enhances people's life so they want to continue watching your content and trust you enough to purchase your products. But with that said, you should never do scammy sponsorships or create some BS product to try to make a quick buck from your audience. That will ruin your online reputation and result in no one buying from you ever again. Like I personally make 30 to 50K per month from social media, but I could make upwards of 70K if I took all the BS sponsorships people offer me. And although some of my friends say that's a bad business move, I say it's a great business move because when I talk about something, you know I personally use it or it's super valuable and can enhance your guys' life. For example, I talk about the Webull investing app all the time because I personally use it and it has given y'all thousands of free dollars. Like this viewer who got over $3 grand, this viewer who got $600, and you could get even more. So if you want the possibility of getting a few $1,000s for free, click the special link in my description, press get started, create an account with your phone number. Then once your account's approved, all you need to do is deposit 1 penny or more to get your free money. It really is that easy, and if a few $100 or $1,000 could change your life, you need to sign up with the link in my description right now before we get into the next business. Next up is the perfect business for people with no prior business experience because you don't need any skills besides the ones that you already have. It's freelancing. Freelancing allows anyone from anywhere to turn what they're good at into a very profitable business in a short period of time. Because instead of you continuing to get good at guitar or video editing by yourself in your room, you will now get paid lots of money by providing that service to others. But before you jump in the deep end and try to sell your skills, I want you to do this exercise with me. Get out a piece of paper, then write down 5 things you are very good at. Like mine could be creating e-com ads, video editing, cliff jumping, day trading, and talking on camera. Then after your list is written, ask yourself which of these skills could make you the most money if you sold it online. Look if it's actually selling online. Then if it is, you just found your new business venture that could change your life. Once you've chosen what service you're going to sell, the next step is to create freelancing accounts on Fiverr, Upwork, and anywhere else you can reach out or get reached out to acquire clients. You want to be on as many grids as possible because that allows the people who only look for help on Fiverr to find you, people who only look at Instagram accounts to find you, and even the 77-year-old who only looks at newspapers. I'm joking, don't put your online service in newspaper ads, but the overall rule is the more places people can find you, the better. So create an account on the most popular freelancing sites and make your accounts look very professional. Because the more professional your profile looks, the more likely people will trust you enough to pay you well for your service. And luckily, it's super easy to make your account look professional. You just need to do these 3 things. First is to create a business logo for yourself as a freelancer. Depending on the service you sell, it could be an edited image or a picture of you with your service in the background. Like a logo designer should have a sick logo for his business because that's what he does, while a piano player should have a picture of them playing the piano because their skills are the product. Second is to add previous work to your profile so people can see you're actually good and want to hire you. I guarantee 90% of y'all already have previous work, even if you don't think you do. Like the video editor can upload his own YouTube videos as previous work, a singing instructor can upload videos of her singing different songs, a copywriter can include previous writings, etc. But if you somehow don't have or can't make previous work without clients, do some work for free to build up your previous work. Step 3 is to get reviews. Reviews are one of the most important things to getting clients because they proved you have helped other people achieve their goal, hence new clients will believe you can do that for them as well. So start off by selling your service at a very low price and create the best results you can. This will result in tons of 5-star reviews, which makes you rank higher in the search bar and results in way more business. The average monthly payment a beginner freelancer receives is between $200 and $2,000. But after a few months of taking it very seriously and stockpiling 5-star reviews, you can take it to multi-6 figures per year. Next up is a business that has become very popular lately due to AI. It's YouTube automation. How it works is you have AI create your titles, thumbnails, and scripts for YouTube videos. Then you post those videos to a niche channel and watch the money roll in for very little work. It's a great business model and I teach you exactly how to do it in this step-by-step tutorial. tutorial. So if you're interested, watch that right now. Or if you want to continue with the 10 best businesses to start in 2023, watch part 2 here once it comes out, and God bless.